Okay, in this constructor tutorial, I am going to attempt to make this wine press. Now, this is an ancient Roman wine press that's found on the island of Cyprus. It's been excavated from an archaeological site and restored as a museum for people to learn from. So we have several interesting structures here. We have a the basic press. We also have these levers here. Those will have to be made separately as a DTS and then imported into the model later if we want them to be animated to be able to pull up and down. So I won't be able to demonstrate that. What I'm going to make right now is just the outside structure, these square posts, and then the wooden roof structure, and then this brick structure in the background. And we will go from there. We have to interpolate what we think it probably actually looked like back in time, which means we have to decide, did it always have this empty space here, or did maybe it used to have a full floor and now it no longer does. So those are things that are open to interpretation without any archaeological dissertations or studies to read about. Sometimes we just have to go from the picture. So that's where we're starting. I've got Constructor opening back here, and I'm going to just go ahead and start with a floor. Give myself a area workspace, and I'm going to make it about this big. And then I need to not move it, but actually select the face. So I have to select faces, click that top, and then we'll make that shorter. So this is our floor. And now we can see that here. So this is our floor area. We're just going to go ahead and use that tile that defaulted. They did actually have some tiles and stuff, and looking in our picture over here, it probably was a stone instead of tile, but I can change that later. I don't have the right textures loaded for this, so I can do that later. Then we want to make some just some block pillars. We'll do that here. Oh, I need to do brushes. So I'm just trying to line up my posts with the walls here at this point in time. And now then I come back here, select that face, and make it taller. That face. There we go. A little bit of height there, maybe too much. There, I can see you down here in this view how much height I actually have. And I want to press that whole brush. I want that about either all the way at the bottom or all the way at the top, but not in the middle. So now I need to come back and look here. Okay, yes, these posts are on the outside. Now obviously in that picture we can see that the posts are these are modern steel posts, and they probably didn't look like that. But since we don't have the originals, we're just going to go by what they've provided us here as a simulation. And it looks like we have at least 4. So I'm going to duplicate that. And I've forgotten where my duplicate command is, so now I have to find it. Oh, it's copy. That's right. So then we move. Then we go paste. Got my constructor and milkshape mixed up. Milkshape has duplicate. Constructor has copy and paste. And then I can select both of those now, pressing shift and select. So now they're both. And I can copy and paste. and move those forward. And paste. And move forward. And paste again. And there we go. Let's see, did any of those... Okay, we need one more in the middle and one in the back. We're going to have to make our arched roof. My pillars here are not completely squared up, so I need to fix that. I also need to decide where those line up at. Those are cornerstone or not. There we go. That looks better. So now we have our pillars, and I did have some wood here I thought I could use. No, those are all stone. There we go. Wood. So I'm going to apply that to all these here. Shift select, shift click select, shift click select, shift click select, shift click select, and apply. And now then they're all wood beams. We can see that here. So that'll do for now. And then next, I need a roof. Not a cone. I'm going to try this. And we're going to make it a half at a time. And I just select not that face, but that one. I'm using my mouse wheel here to zoom in and out to select the different things, so just so you know. Mouse wheel does that magic for me. And then I click brushes again. We need to bring this down to earth here. I'm looking in this window here to see where it is. And then we select vertices, because I only want these vertices. I'm going to do control, not control, how do I move this? Just right click and down. I'm going to reselect those vertices again. And this is how I'm going to make an arched roof. And I need to select these vertices over here. Get that down there to that level on those pillars there. And I can actually do that with the pillars also and get those up there like that. And then I'm going to go to brushes, select this, and copy, paste. I'm going to move it over here and